Mastering the phrase, draw a curve, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, draw a curve. It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning and usage that can enhance your English communication. So, let's get curvy with our learning curve. When we say, draw a curve, we're talking about creating a smooth, rounded line that isn't straight. This can be done on paper with a pencil, on a board with a marker, or even in the air with your finger. It's all about the action of creating a nonlinear line that bends gracefully. But English is full of figurative language, and draw a curve is no exception. Figuratively, it can mean to introduce a new element or factor that changes a situation or plan. Imagine a graph where a curve deviates from the straight path. That's what we're talking about here. Let's look at some contexts where this phrase might pop up. In mathematics or art, the literal meaning is straightforward. But in business or life, drawing a curve could refer to a shift in strategy or the introduction of a new variable that changes the expected outcome. For example, the new policy really drew a curve in our project plans, or you need to be flexible and ready to draw a curve when life throws you a surprise. Now, let's practice saying it together. Draw a curve. Notice the way your mouth moves in a mini curve as you pronounce the words. And try to use it in a sentence today. And that's a wrap on Draw a Curve. Remember, whether you're dealing with the literal or the figurative, this phrase is all about flexibility and change. Happy learning, and I hope this video helps you navigate the curves of the English language with ease.